Grocery prices are up 30% and your paycheck is not. You are spending more, planning less, and still ending up with nothing ready to eat on the hardest nights of the week. I'm opening my freezer and there is 1 gallon bag. One fully cooked meal standing between my family and a panic spend. The number is supposed to be 6. Today, we are going from 1 to 6 without spending a single dollar. I am Vanessa, and this is Prep and Purpose. The recipe calls for 5 zucchinis. I clearly have more than 5, but these are kind of small, so I'm just going to use them. If I need to use them anyway. And I'm supposed to dice this. And just small diced squares. So I'm going to take the tops off. And I do compost outside, so I'm definitely going to get a little bowl here in just a second so I can compost. So what I've got here is both the onions and the zucchini in a bowl combined. And what I did here was that I dropped them into the pot and I'm going to stir them until they're translucent. And again, the meat was already previously cooked. So we're just going to put it in there and we're just going to warm it through. This is what makes dinner so much faster, guys. I have 2 9x13 pans here. These are 2 9x13 pans I'm putting in the noodles. What I eventually find out is that it's a little bit too full, so I'm going to end up eventually seeing me get a bowl and put all of these things back into it, all the ingredients, and we're going to mix them together inside a bigger bowl so we don't have a huge mess. But it was a lot of food. It's a lot of food, as you can see. We'll let you see right there. And I still need to put in the sauce and then I'll redistribute, but I've mixed it already. I'm going to get in some of this seasoning. It's a little bit of salt. We're going to get some pepper and some garlic powder in it. So here's the pepper. Italian seasoning's gonna go in. And then we're gonna get some garlic powder in. And then I'm gonna add the sauce. Then we're going to mix it all around until it's all combined. Instead of putting it inside a gallon bag, I decided to use the 9x13 pans that we already used it. I'm not going to waste anything, and that's totally fine. So we're moving on to the second meal, and that's the Cajun turkey and dirty rice freezer meal. This is going to go into the freezer. We're just going to add a little oil here so it doesn't stick to the bottom, and then we're going to add onions, and again we're going to make sure that the onions are going to be translucent. It takes a few seconds for us to get it out of the bag, and then we're just going to cook it down until you can basically see through it. As you can see, we are adding on our bell peppers, and those are frozen as well, and that's okay to cook your vegetables for frozen. So now we're going to add in the meat. Which is 4.5 pounds of meat. And then I'm going to add in our Prep and Purpose Cajun blend for the seasoning. I use the Prep and Purpose Cajun blend seasoning here. It looks like I used a lot, and that's okay for us. We like to season heavy. However, if you choose to season lighter, you may do so. It's your kitchen. You do it exactly how you like, but I do recommend that you taste as you go so you can make sure that it's seasoned to your liking. And if something seems flat or you're just not enjoying it, add salt. Salt tends to fix everything. And remember, we're not eating processed food. So if you add salt, it's okay. So don't be afraid when you cook from scratch, not from zero. We don't cook from zero around here, but it's okay if you cook from zero. But if you cook from scratch, you can add the salt, generally speaking. I hope that you see that this is worth your time and worth your while. I'm going to get it into the pans and I'll be right back. We are down to the last meal, and I decided to change the meal. We're going to go and do a loaded baked potato casserole with ground chicken. Simply for the fact is that I had these potatoes sitting, I really need to use them. So what I did was just put in potatoes and meal builder, and then said to create me a meal, and it created me a meal. I didn't even have to think about it. I used what I had on hand. And if you caught on, this is how all of these were high protein, low fat. And that's what I chose as my dietary restrictions in Meal Builder too. So you can put your dietary restrictions in Meal Builder. We could have done it the other way, but I felt like it would be easier just to mix the potatoes on the bottom so I could spread it out. But it's still kind of a little thick. But do whatever your heart desires. I decided to do it at the bottom. Normally, people put it at the top. 6 bags back in the freezer, nothing bought, nothing wasted. If you do not know what your count is right now, Meal Builder Pro will tell you, and it will build you exactly what you need from what you already have. 7-day free trial, cancel if it's not for you. No harm, no foul. Link is in the description. Reduce decisions, install structure. And as always, steward what you have, serve where you are, and you'll always have what you need to rescue yourself. Prep with purpose.